Welcome to Root, our nerd club and makerspace. Today we have an unboxing of 2 boxes that have arrived from ifixit.com, which were donated to our cause, the right to repair. I'll take you around, show you a bit what Root looks like, and then we'll come back to do the unboxing. This is our part of our makerspace where we hang out, we repair, play with our old computers and old electronics. Here's some examples of the electronics we have, if you want to take a look. Hi guys, welcome to our makerspace. This is where we repair the bigger things that are broken. For example, here's a nice plasma TV that we're trying to take a look at. And we also build, for example, game consoles, so for retro gaming. We also have home-built CNC machine and also other tooling, which you can find on the other side. This is the area where we get drunk, when we're finished doing the repairs, of course. Can I have my beer now? No. Cheers. Okay guys, here we are. I'm going to open up these boxes that were so kindly offered by ifixit.com for our Aggiusti Arci initiative, which basically on Mondays and Tuesdays we repair people's stuff basically. They come in and we teach them to repair, and we also repair it with them. So people come in with computers, TVs, and all kinds of different things. And we like to promote the right to repair your own devices. And there we go. Let's open up these boxes, see what it is we got. Oh wow. So here is basically a complete kit with bag for repairing small electronic devices. I'll give you guys the honor of opening it, so.
Okay, thanks.
Considering that I already know what's inside, so. Oh, this is great. This is the ifixit manifesto, which we will proudly hang up on some part inside of our the hell is this place called? Inside of Root. It's basically the repair manifesto, the right to repair. It says if you can't fix it, you don't own it. So I'll translate it to Italian for you guys later. Suction cups for taking off screens. Take the screens off of different products. Bit driver kit with all the different types of bits. Digital multimeter. Another kit for repairing with also the magnetic mat from ifixit, which is very, very useful, which we can use to keep all the screws in order.
Ooh.
I have no idea what this is, but we'll find out. Huh?
It's for high temperature.
High tape, okay. It's tape. Yeah. This is also used for separating the screens from phones, for example. 2 suction cups, and you use it to separate the screens from a phone. Digital caliper. Hairspray? No. Screen and lens cleaner, guys. More fancy tools. Oh, these are really nice. I hope David is capable to re-put everything inside, because I have no idea where they came out from. But
yeah, I reversed the video.
Anti-static mat with also the wrist strap for working on static sensitive items. Microfiber cleaning cloths for screens.
Okay, now it's empty.
And that's it basically for the professional repair kit.
Okay.
Very nice kit from ifixit. All types of tweezers, spudgers, for opening the cases, for example, plastic spudgers. It's nice. Let's go ahead and open the other box, see what's inside. There you go. Data from Star Trek. Magnifying for magnifying lens to put on your head to see what's going on. Mini soldering station with controlled temperature. Flush cutters for flush cutting soldering joints. Microscope, no, what's it called? A lens with light for close-up inspection of parts.
I think this is a third hand. Yep.
That actually comes with batteries also. A third hand with magnifying glass. A picker upper. I don't know what this is called. Third claw. No, three, it's a claw. Thank you. And also 2 other magnetic mats with pen, which are very handy when you disassemble items, that you can write where the piece came from. And something Italian from ifixit. Haribo gummy bears. And there's the invoice. And that's it for our unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Come by and find us on Tuesdays and Fridays at Root if you have something you need to fix and you want to learn how to fix it. Possiamo andare adesso. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Yeah, baby. Come riparto?
Riparto.
Da inizio.
Inizio.
Ma ferma quel coso.